CNC Turning Center Programming. Hello, friends. Today, we are excited to present a new video on roll forming. In this video, we will delve into the fascinating world of roll forming, exploring its techniques, applications, and advantages. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just curious about this metal shaping process, this video is packed with valuable insights. We'll cover everything from roll forming machine setups to the intricacies of roll forming dies. If you have any questions or specific topics you'd like us to address, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you for joining us today, and let's get started with our roll forming journey. Roll forming dies are essential tools used in shaping metal sheets or strips into specific profiles. They're typically made of high-quality tool steels and designed to match the desired product shape with precision. The roll geometry, number of stands, and tight tolerances are crucial factors. Lubrication and cooling may be necessary to reduce wear and heat generation. Customization is common, and maintenance is essential for long-term performance. Proper setup and alignment ensure accurate results. Roll forming dies are a critical component in the roll forming process, influencing product quality, efficiency, and durability. Capsturn for CNC Turning Programming. However, CNC, computer numerical control, machining software typically includes options for both incremental and absolute programming. Here's a general overview of these programming modes. Incremental programming. In incremental programming, each movement is defined as a change from the machine's current position. For example, if the current position is x equals 0, y equals 0, and z equals 0, and you want to move the tool to x equals 10, y equals 5, and z equals 2, you would specify these values directly. Incremental programming is often used for shorter, more localized movements. Absolute programming. In absolute programming, each movement is defined with respect to a fixed reference point or coordinate system. This means that you specify the tool's position as absolute coordinates in relation to the machine's reference point, often called the machine's home or zero position. It's a more intuitive way to